Here's a 2019 INFINITI Q60. It's as luxurious as it is exhilarating. This sleek machine delivers polished, powerful performance from a forward-thinking, intelligent design. It's well equipped with the features you need: streaming audio, dual-zone climate control, doors and push-button start proximity key, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, twin-turbo V6 engine, four-wheel drive, external memory control, leather steering wheel, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and LED low and high beam headlights. INFINITI functional craftsmanship surrounds you with infinite possibilities. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.